Hello student, here there is a question related to first PU thermodynamics chapter. This question is asked in 2019. Okay. A thermodynamic system undergoes a cyclic process ABC as shown in the diagram. The work done by the system per cycle is options are 750 joule minus 1250 joule minus 750 joule plus 1250 joule. So here we can see one PV diagram, right? So pressure is taken along y-axis and volume is taken along x-axis. So here we can see one graph ABC, which is triangle in shape. We know that work done is pressure into volume. So that can be calculated as area of triangle ABC. Okay. So area under the graph gives work done. That's why here area of triangle ABC, how to calculate area of triangle? It is half into base into height. Base is BC, height is AB. So let us substitute the values. BC 10 minus 5, which is 5. And A to B, see here A is at 400, B is at 100, right? So let us substitute 100 minus 400, which is 300. Minus 300 into 5 is 1500 divided by 2 gives minus 750 joule. Minus 750 joule is the answer. So negative sign means the work is done by the system. So therefore here option 3 is correct. So to find out work done, we need to find out area of the graph. Here the graph is triangle. So area under the graph gives work done. So here we came to know that is minus 750 joule. Is it clear, student?